Nailing a flat 2x6 for drywall backing might seem like the fastest way to get it done, but trust me, it often leads to some real headaches down the line. So here's the thing. When you nail a 2x6 flat against a wall or slab that isn't totally level, you're basically setting yourself up for uneven surfaces. That can mean your drywall ends up with dips or humps because the backing isn't flush. Instead, try installing blocking between the trusses or studs. This way, you get a straight, solid surface for the drywall to attach to. Also, nailing flat can make aligning everything tougher because the wood might not line up perfectly with your ceiling joists or roof trusses. Take your time to check for level and plumb before attaching anything. Using shims when necessary can help fix minor unevenness without turning your walls into a roller coaster ride. And if you're worried about speed, remember that spending a little extra time up front saves you from fixing cracks or bulges later on. One of the biggest mistakes with drywall backing is just slapping a 2x6 flat without checking the flatness of the slab or wall underneath. This often causes uneven ceilings or walls because the wood won't sit flush. Another common issue is not factoring in the alignment with ceiling trusses, which makes attaching drywall tricky and leads to gaps or humps. Lastly, people forget about the benefits of blocking between trusses. This is a better alternative that gives a smooth, sturdy backing for your drywall and helps avoid those annoying bumps. To fix these problems, always measure and level your backing material before nailing it down. Use blocking instead of just flat nailing when possible. And don't be shy about adding shims or adjusting placement for a perfect fit. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess up your walls. Plus, it helps contractors get solid work by connecting them with people who really need their skills without all the hassle.